Hi, my name is Tiago Duarte and welcome to another video tutorial here at Daily Beats. In today's video I'm going to make maybe a sad rap track. So I was messing around here with some chords and I found these chords that I think they sound really nice and really melodic. So let's see, I said sad, but maybe a more melodic track, and I will work on this and try to come up with something really cool to show you guys that how to do a more sad / melodic rap track. Before we start, I would like to ask you to subscribe and activate the notifications so that you know when I upload new videos. And if you have any questions, just leave a comment below. Also consider supporting my channel by buying one of the products at dailybeats.pt or become a premium member, and you will have access to the full videos from the past and from the future. And you will also be able to download project files and sample packs so that you can have a big library of great sounds so that you can make better music. And also you will have access to the Q&A sessions where I collect your questions and answer them in videos so that you can speed up your learning by having your questions answered. So with that out of the way, let's go ahead and jump to FL Studio. So this is the chord progression that I have. We are at 87 BPM and I'm using this Electric Grand 80 stereo, which is from Waves. It sounds really cool. And this is basically what I have. So C major, G major, A minor, and F major. Okay, let's try to strum this. So Alt S. Okay, I like that. So let's copy this over and now let's make some changes here. And let's see if this sounds nice. And we can even do, let's see if adding some type of swing makes it a little bit more interesting. Not entirely sure if I like this, but let's keep it just for the sake of it. Let's see what we have here for drums instead of the normal drums. Let's see what we can have here. We can even add some different percussion type elements here. So let's make this one also very low. Here, this can be the normal one. like that. Let's see, maybe crash here. But I like it. Let's hear it. Maybe not that. Let's see here. What type of notes can we change to make this fit a little bit better? G, so G, yeah, we have G there. Can do B here. Let's go an octave higher. So now we can start creating some kind of composition. So let's go something like this. So we have an intro and then a verse and then some part here for the chorus. Very simple composition, just to have something to play around with. Okay, what else? What else can we have here? The cymbals. Let's have cymbals all the way through. Oops. Kick 2 on the claps. And then for the chorus we have the extra strings. And we can start removing things as we wish. For instance, for this part we can remove the cymbals. Here, for instance, we can remove the claps and the percussion and leave just the electric piano and the bass. Something like that, even that I like. Well, this didn't turn out sad. I think it's quite a happy beat, even though it's a more melodic one. I think I really enjoy it. It gives a really positive and warm vibe, so I really enjoy it. I usually like to, when I make beats, I like to make more heavy beats, more like for the hip-hop style. This could also work in a more melodic song, but I really enjoy the way it sounds. It makes me feel good, it makes me feel warm inside, so that's also a good thing about music. Like whenever you make something that you really enjoy and that makes you feel good, that's good enough, I think. And well, actually I don't want to be famous at all, but I do want to work with more artists, better artists, other rappers, and I do want to do cool music, and that's it, you know. And I might not reach that point of doing that, but at least I had a lot of fun doing this building this channel, and man, it really feels nice, and it feels really a good accomplishment, even though I'm still a small channel. Yeah, but I don't care about the numbers. I do want my channel to grow, of course, and I do want to make more money out of it. But at the end of the day, man, I go to sleep happy about what I achieved, and I think that's the most important feeling. And if you are looking for something similar, my recommendation or my advice would be to just do whatever you like doing it and get good at it. Try not to follow what other people do or what other people say just for the sake of it. If it fits your idea of what it should be, then use it. If it doesn't, just follow your instinct and your dreams. That's it, guys. This was a last minute piece of advice that I had. If you are new here to this channel, subscribe and activate notifications so that you know when I upload the videos. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below. Also consider supporting this channel by buying one of the products at dailybeats.pt or become a premium member, and you will have access to the full videos from the past and also from the future, and you will be able to download a lot of sample packs. We have a big list of sample packs that you can download, and it will really help you in your productions, because you will have a huge library of really good sounds. And yeah, actually the sounds of this beat will be there as loops, so that you can just throw them on your project and start chopping them and manipulating them to create new compositions, new music. And you will also have access to the sections, Q&A sections, where I get all of your questions and I answer them, so that you can speed up your learning and have your questions answered by me and in video, so that you can accelerate your learning and reach the point where you like or where you want faster. That's it, guys. My name is Tiago Duarte, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.